Yeah, hello guys, you are highly welcome to another tutorial on Obote Fashion channel. So in this video I'm going to be taking you through the process of how to stitch this SHAWL collar v-neck design. I've already made the video, but I mistakenly deleted it, so I have to make another video, and that is why this video is coming a little bit late. So without wasting any of your time, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button and also you turn on your notification bell. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is to cut your material like this, that is the kaftan, the normal way which you normally cut the kaftan. So this is the back and while this is the front. So the same way the back normally drop on the front, that is how I cut this. So I have a videos for you if you want to know how to cut a kaftan. So just measure 8.5 from that neckline, and then you can mark like a 0.2 here. So you mark 0.2 and then you press your ruler to that neck area. So you can see this. So I've already cut the neckline already. So and you just place your ruler and then you roll it straight down. So after you roll it straight down, just need to cut it out like this. When you're through with that, just fold the back on it and then you notch that area where the neckline started from, and then you trim it a little bit like a 0.2 from the back, and that is all. And make sure you take a good look at how I want to do this place. So the wideness of the v-neck will be 1.5, and then 1.5 divided by 2, that will give me 0.7. so you place a 0.7 on this place, and then you mark it and then you just notch it down a bit with like a 0, that's a 0.7. so let it end on that 0.7, and then you trim a little bit like a 0.2 out of that 0.7 straight down to this end, and that is it. Now the next thing to do is to join the back and the front together. So just place the two together like this, and then you join the shoulder. So after you join the shoulder, then we can now prepare the collar. So just iron the line, that is the shoulder line. So this is it after I've already ironed it, and that is the place where we notch. So you can see that. And now you notch the neck, that is the center of the neck at the back. So once you notch that, then you measure it round, place it together like this, and then you measure it from this point, so leaving like a 1.5 at the line at the down part. So leaving like 1.5 from that place, and then you measure it round to the center of the back. So that is giving me like a 28 inches. So 14 plus 14, that's a 28 inches. So you take another material like this, and then you measure 28 inches. You cut 28 inches by 4 inches. So it's in the double fold by 4 inches, and then you apply ST on it. So that is it. So you just need to trim out all the excess at the side. So you place it together like this, and then you measure 4.5 on this end. So measure 4.5 here, and on this line here you measure 2 inches. So don't forget that our wideness of this thing is 1.5, so you measure 2 inches, and then you place your curve, so whatever the shape you want to give it, so just place it there, and then you give it a little shape there, then cut it out. So that is it. Now you give it a seaming allowance, so you have to give that place a little shape. of like a 0.2. You do that on this other side. That's a 2.2 by 0.2. So that is it on the second side, and then you give a seam allowance on this side of like almost 0.5, so not up to 0.5. So just do it on the other side, and then you let's go to the machine, and then you stitch it on that line. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, and also you turn on your notification bell if you are yet to do so. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that a lot of people will be able to benefit, and I will appreciate your comments in the comment section box below. Don't forget to do that. Thank you. And then you notch all this area so that it will be very easy when you finally turn the material. So just turn it like this. Turn the other side, and when you finally turn it, you proceed to the table and do the ironing. So I've ironed this, and then you can see the joining. You can see that joining that it fall on at the back. So it fall at the back. So this is the second side. So that is very important, so that the joining will not be too showing at the front. So just stitch the edge here to secure the edge. So that is it. So just fold it together like this, and then you notch the center. So when you finally notch the center, you take the main body. Now you place it down like this. Let the face of the material facing upward, and then you place this collar on it like this. So this is how it will fold. So just place it on it like this. Place the two center together. That is the center of the back and then the center of the collar. So just place it together like this, and then you can use office pin to secure it. So then you turn it to the back. So you are doing that from the front. So just turn this to the back like this. If you like, you can as well use a office pin to secure the edge all through. And if you don't mind, you can as well sew it the way I'm sewing it. Just sew it straight down like this with a 0.5 inches. Make sure that you are not creating any pleating on that neckline, and then it will end on this point. You can see that on that point where the notching ended. That is very important. So you turn it to the other side and start from the joining at the back again for the other side. So just stitch it with a 0.5. So make sure that this one is also end on that point. That is also important, and that is that. So just turn it in, turn everything in like this. Then use on to set it very well. You can see it's almost we are almost done. So just turn it like this, and then you stitch it on that point. So don't stitch on the main borders. So you're only stitching on the point where we notch. That is very important. So just cut out the excess like this, and that is it. So you proceed to the weaving machine to weave this edge around, and when we're finally done with that, proceed to the table to do the final ironing. So this ironing is also very important, so make sure you take a good look at how I want to do the folding so that it will come out very nice and it will be very easy for you to easily fold. Just lay it like this. Once you lay it, is iron everything out. So iron all the edge, and that is it. So now you can now fold it. So let it fall on the joining. So it's like a 0.5. Just set it very well, and that is it. So now you now press it. If you like, you can take the pressing to the back, and if you like, you can make that side to just stand, that is the back to stand, instead of pressing it down the way I'm pressing it like this. So it's all depend on how you want it. So after you have done with the weaving, with the pressing rather, so that is all on how to achieve this v-neck. So please, if you derive value in this video and you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also if you are yet to subscribe, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. And if you are a returning, and if you are a subscriber to this channel, I thank you for keeping watching this channel, and thank you for watching again. Bye for now.